Hey y'all, welcome to Turbo Tip Thursday. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take regular craft paint and turn it into stain. Because as we all know, stain is beautiful, but it's messy, it's stinky, and who has time to wait for stain to dry? So, let's jump in and get to it.
Your favorite color paint, it can be acrylic, it can be chalk paint, whatever kind of paint you like. Something to mix in, some water, paintbrush, and for video purposes, I'm going to be demonstrating on this plastic. So, what you want to add is water first. And I start out with about 8 to 10 parts water to 1 part of paint. You want this to be like a runny consistency. You don't want it thick. Remember, we're making a stain here. So I'm just going to put 2 pretty good drops in there. You're going to stir it around. Alright, you can see it kind of taking tint there, but actually, I'd like to have this just a wee bit darker. So, I'm going to add just another drop of paint there. Stir it around. Alright, that's looking a little better. It's about the color of coffee, so we're going to roll with it and see how that turns out. Here we go. And you can see it goes on just like water. Now again, adjust this to fit your needs. Matter of fact, let's add some more. Give it a stir. Let's try this other side here. There, that's a little bit darker. Now keep in mind, it is runny. There you go. Don't be afraid to experiment, get the right color you want, and make those crafts really stand out, and you won't have to wait any more for that stain to dry. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and y'all go out there and get your craft on. Bye!